First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl's t-shirt image, press open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the t-shirt like this. Press Ctrl J twice to duplicate the selection into two layers. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this fruits and vegetables pattern image. Hit place. Right click on this image and choose rotate 90 degrees clockwise option. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Right click on this texture layer and choose create a clipping mask. Go to blend modes and choose linear burn. Then expose the top layer. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Now select the texture layer. Go to the filter and choose liquify filter. Here utilize these tools to adjust the texture in this manner. Press OK. Let's see the final result.